Hello everyone and welcome back to another lesson. In this lesson, we will learn how to set up our PC for web development for absolute beginners. In this lesson, you will learn how to set your code editor to configure it with your web browser so that you will be able to see exactly what you are developing. This lesson is meant for absolute beginners. So if you have not written a line of code before, so this is your opportunity to learn how to start writing your own code. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So the first thing we need is a code editor, and I'll be using VS Code for the purpose of this tutorial. You can use any code editor of your choice. If you want to follow along with VS Code and you don't have VS Code installed, simply launch your browser, go to the URL code.visualstudio.com, then click the download for Windows, or if you are on Mac, probably you'll see download for Mac. Just click it, download it, follow the instruction to install it. After installation, we continue from there. So after installing VS Code, so the next thing we do is create a folder on your desktop. You can name the folder whatever you want to name it. So in my own case, I'll just name it websites. To open the folder in VS Code, right click on the folder and click open with code. So now my folder has been opened in VS Code, so you can see it here, website. Now there are two extensions I would like you to install to make your development journey very smooth. So head on to the extension tab in VS Code. The first one is Live Server. So search for Live Server. In my own case, I already have it installed, so search for Live Server. So install the first one that shows up, this one. So Live Server will help you to launch your local server, and it will help you to monitor what you are developing at every point in time. It will give you a live preview of what you are writing, the code you are writing. It will give you a live preview of the code in the browser. The next extension I would like you to install is Prettier. So just search for Prettier and install it. I already have it installed in my own case. So what does Prettier do? Prettier will help you to format your code. It will help you to indent your code properly and put proper spacing in your code to make your code look neat and nice. That's what Prettier will do for you. So after installing these two extensions, now let's see how to start our first page. In VS Code, if you come to this point, you'll see a new file icon. Click on the new file icon and give your website a name. So in this case, I'll just call it index.html. You have to put the HTML extension. That's what tells the browser that it's actually a website, and hit enter. So the file has been created, but the file is empty. Now, to populate your file with the starter code, there's a shortcut for it. Press the exclamation key on the keyboard and hit enter. So it's going to generate this starter code for you. With this code generated, you can now continue writing other code. So I'll simply change this title to my first website. Between the opening and closing body tag, you can enter what you want to see in your page. So I'm going to use h1 tag, and I'll type welcome to my page. So to preview what we've built, at the bottom of your VS Code window, you will see this icon, Go Live. Click on the Go Live icon. So it's going to start your page in Chrome. Yes, our page has been started. It's still loading. So you can see, so I'm going to resize the browser and put it on one side of the screen. So you can see what we are building live. So I'll put the browser here. Then I'll put my code editor on the left. So this is the title we placed within the title tag. My first website. This is it on the browser. Then welcome to my page. This is it on the page. So if I come back to my editor and type something else like a paragraph tag and say this is the beginning of something big. So after typing it, I'll have to save it for it to appear on the browser. So just press Ctrl S on the keyboard, and you see immediately you press Ctrl S, it appears on the browser. So you can keep adding things to your website. So let me add another paragraph. So I just typed thank you for staying tuned. So press Ctrl S on your keyboard to save it, and it will appear in your browser. So this is how to set up your computer for web development. So if you're a beginner, I hope you've learned something from this tutorial. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so for more tutorials like this and more advanced tutorials. If you have a comment, kindly drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you for staying tuned. See you in the next lesson.